This is Ground Media UG.
The experience today and how you feel?
Oh my God, it has given me joy having accomplished this feat and graduated with the legendaries, with the great Central Lens University. I'm so happy to be part of this 14th graduation with the Central Lens University. My name is Rein, aka Lubega Obed.
Lubega Obed,
Yes.
when did you start thinking about going back to school, and why did you think about going back to school?
I had this idea some years ago, something like 7 years ago. I used to attend different universities, but I couldn't accomplish because of some issues. But when I attended Central Lens University some 2 years ago, I've tried my level best to attend and to participate. And finally today, I've graduated.
Tell us about your classes. It's been alleged that you've been one of those class defaulters.
No. I wasn't a class defaulter. I've been attending my lectures every time, every moment. I have been here. You can ask our lecturers, you can ask my fellow students. They are here. They are all here. Education faculty, they are here. I've been attending regularly. So,
what was your best moment in class, and with which lecturer?
We have a lecturer called Semju, Mr. Semju, and the best moment he heard about me. I was in a lecture room, but he didn't know who exactly Bro, he didn't know that I'm the one. So yes. He was asking himself, who is Lubega Obed? Who is Lubega Obed? And he was surprised finding Rein that he is his what? Student. So that was my best moment. Ladies and gentlemen, right here besides me is a honorable member of parliament, Mitiana municipality, and I'm so glad to tell you that he's one of my best friends, and he's one of the people who encouraged me so much to go back. And
we've seen lately seeing you hanging around with politicians and prominent politicians from one of the prominent political parties. Do we see you coming through 2026?
No,
do you have any aspirations?
I think you've only seen me hanging out with only politicians who are members of NOP, because I'm also part of NOP. I'm a supporter of National Unity Platform. That's why you've been seeing me hanging out with only NOP members. You haven't seen me with anybody from NRM or only NOP, because they are my friends and I love what they do, and I'm part of them, by the way.
Do you see you draw inspiration from them to join them in the race?
Yes, I was inspired by different people, but one of them is here. I was inspired by Honorable Zake, and I'm so much proud of you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, brother.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Are you coming 2026?
2026, are you coming?
In Songezo, ladies and gentlemen.
English, eh?
Okay. Such issues are not for today. Today, they are only celebrations. We are only celebrating our feat because I've really worked hard to achieve this.
Why education? Why not, let's say,
ICT, engineer,
MDT,
MASCOM?
engineering, MASCOM?
Because I love education. Yes. I'm a teacher by profession, so I was just upgrading. Yeah.
So are we going to see you going back to class to start teaching?
No. I may not, but you never know. Things change.
The way you're speaking English today shows like you're taking a different career path. Are we seeing you back on stage with English?
You are going to see Maulana and Rein doing comedy in English. Okay? So we are going to change the trend. We are going to start doing comedy in English. Yes.
Where do you
Are you considering your audience?
I will yeah, I'm going to abatamanyi luzungu.
English.
Oh, sorry. So with those fans of ours, the fans of Maulana and Rein, who can't understand English, we are very sorry. We have performed for you for over 5 years. So let's also tap to this audience, the English audience. Yes.
But in the English audience, there is a lot of tight competition. Will you manage that?
We are very ready. We are very ready. The competition is much here in Luganda, but we are very ready to compete with those English comedians.
Why don't we see your colleague here?
Eh? Because he didn't upgrade. He didn't come for studies.
Accompanying you today.
No, he's somewhere. He has an interview somewhere. That's why he's not here.
Let's
Guys,
talk to Honorable.
yes, talk to the Honorable. They are reading my name, so. Omuzungu agamba nti pule nononya ekiddako nekikola kyo olina okuddayo n'osoma. So ladies and gentlemen, my fellow artists, my fellow comedians, musicians, go back to school.
Ogenda kubeera serious kati bantu akolako ng'oli serious Rein nga ali serious.
Buli kaseera mbadde serious mu bintu byange byenkola, mbadde serious.
Abantu babamanyi osanga.
Mbadde serious mu bikyenkola. Era neno ababuusabuusa nti nyiza obba si byaddala bannange mugyeko ku Central Lawrence University mulabe. Essaawa yonna nzirayo era kati leero ke tugraduate nze next week komawo kwewandiisa ate nzirayo ku degree.
School fees badde takutawaanya obadde ku basale.
School fees abadde ntawaanyiza ddala era bye bisinza okuntawaanya era n'okutikkirwa Mukama byabadde bigaanye naye nekwata ng'omusajja. Naye nga ye school fees tabadde mwangu naye nga tugezezaako Mukama atusasire.
Akasembayo abeerubaga bawa ekigambo kye kisembayo.
Abeerubaga mbatumirako obutumizi. Yakutumira abantu beerubaga South. Muli mutya. Yenze Rein wammwe just mbabuuzaako. Siina nnyo kyamanyi kye mbagamba. Siina ssaawa yonna just mbabuuzaako bannange bwe bali kunsabira emikolo gy'egyo ndowooza mugira bali kumpi tessaawa yonna tugenda kuvimba wano.
yazenga taatawo leero.
Abazadde bange bwe bali zaake kyali wange amperekeddeko just. Ate by the way naye agenda kuddayo bangi bagenda okuddayo okusoma.
Liteeka ofunyemu mmeka?
Sirinaamu liteeke n'emu. Sirinaamu liteeke. Lwaki mulowooza mu liteeke?
CGPA yimiridde.
Nnungi nnyo credit.
Naye badde osoma ddi?
Weekends. Eno education badde nsoma mu holiday. Tusoma mu holiday abaana bwe bawummula ffe nga tujja nga tukola ki tusoma. Every semester ebeera ya weeks 3.
Abantu abasinga bagambye gwe nga comedian kati ntwadde nga gwe comedian bagamba mbu comedy asusse okukola oba nga kino ekyabadde okutengetenge bwe mususse okuwemula mususse n'okuvumirira abantu nga ate mubuze okusanyusa.
Oyogera namusomesa kati oyinza otya okumbuuza ebyokuwemula.
Ate
siinaayo bigambo biwemula bye mmanyi obuzza muntu mukyamu. Funa bakomedian abawemula bw'obuuza. Funa omulala nze siwemula era tetuwemula nga Mawulana Rein. Ebigambo byaffe biba straight because we are professional. So right now you're talking to a teacher, and by the way let's shift to English because so that we cut off some little bit of stories. Yes, because if I continue with your Luganda you will bring your fake stories. So let's continue with the English so that I cut off some little stories. Guys, the things are changing. Even the language I think you can hear. The English I'm speaking is not our usual English I used to speak.
Do you expect you to start doing comedy in English as Salvador?
Ladies and gentlemen, expect Mawulana Rein to be doing comedy in English. Yes, we are changing everything. We are doing this education for the betterment of ourselves and for the betterment of our country. So anytime mugenda laba ku version empya ya Mawulana Rein.
Don't you think this is going?